After Joshua Tree, we headed to Quartzsite, Arizona for the RTR. We had an awesome time making friends, enjoying campfires, and working. If you want to watch our RTR video, click on the link above. Hi, my name is Ricky.
My name is Brandon, and welcome to our Lives Unscripted.
We're headed to the RV show and it's a zoo here. Never seen Quartzsite so busy.
Right now we were walking to the Quartzsite Sports, Vacation, and RV show. We had to park a little ways away and traffic here is crazy. It's the first day and we're gonna go check out what there is to see in the big tent.
It's a free show, so that's why we're headed there.
Free show, free parking, lots of RV and outdoor stuff.
We want to see the mansions of the road.
And we're gonna buy a new RV. Just kidding.
Dun.
This is so awesome right now. There's so many vendors everywhere and tons of stuff to look at, all kinds of different shops.
I see homemade ice cream,
I feel like you could purchase anything you want from this place, and it's just all tents and all like small vendors. It's pretty cool.
Brandon.
What?
Oh my god, they have poutine here.
Nice.
Are we in Canada?
We must be.
Do you think this would fit on the back of our van? Because this thing is awesome.
Finally found a place that looks like they have options for food for us. Most of it's just like greasy stuff.
We're gonna get a noodle bowl and a rice bowl, and then yeah, I'll get a Diet Coke too.
Yeah, probably not. So yeah, noodle bowl, rice bowl, sounds good.
We'll see what's good.
What's up?
How's your noodle dish?
It's really good.
You like it?
Yep.
Mine's really good too.
Yeah, you're eating the rice, I'm eating the noodles.
And it was super fast to make.
Yeah, it's good.
So if you come to Quartzsite, Arizona, find those noodle guys.
So we made it through the RV show, and now we're just walking around at all the little shops and stuff for sale across the road from it.
This place is so big that we didn't even make it to like all of the places, and we've been here for like an hour and a half.
Yeah, it's just so much stuff. I don't know. It's cool though, because you can pretty much buy anything, I would imagine.
And the RVs are really cool too. There's so many different styles that you can look into.
Yeah, there's RVs on sale and all kinds of stuff. So yeah, we're just making our way back to our van, and we're gonna go park out in the desert and maybe go meet some people at the RTR.
And I did end up getting something, but
it was free. Some cool bags that we can use at the grocery store.
Because I'm cheap, so I don't buy anything.
Yeah, so we're gonna keep walking around here and make our way back to the van. Yeah. This guy wants to get on YouTube. So yeah, we're gonna start making our way back.
We are leaving the RTR and we're headed to Lake Havasu City. What did you think about the RTR?
Yeah, it's just like a good mix of people, and for the most part, everyone goes there to meet other people, so everyone's friendly and says hi and, you know, like share things and help each other out. So it's just kind of a really cool community thing of like-minded individuals.
And we met so many like amazing people that are just living the lives that they truly want to live. So it's like really cool to see how they live their life and are their authentic self. So if you are a van dweller or vehicle dweller, or you want to know more about that kind of thing, then I suggest that you go to the RTR next year in 2019. Brandon, you like Cliff much?
Cliff's my best friend, and he's only $1 here.
I thought I was your best friend.
Oh.
Oh man, I can't compete with Cliff. Hello, come back, come back.
We were at the North BLM land north of Lake Havasu City.
Yeah, and we pulled up and we found some people that we met at the RTR, so we're gonna go say hi.
So I'm out here for a little stroll around the BLM campsite that we're at. I'm just going for a walk before I do some more work for tonight. You'll see the van there behind me, well, the back half of it maybe. And yeah, there's just like tons of other people that stay here. I think this is called the Lone Tree BLM campsite. And it's been pretty good. We've been staying here. You can stay here for 14 days. We've been here, I think it's like been a week now almost. So it's dark and it's early morning, so you know what that means. We're getting our van fixed. Yep, so the van's been making a clunking sound ever since driving down the Highway 1. And I mean, well, actually it's made it for a while, but now it's like actual happening like almost every time. So we need to get our van fixed. We think it's something to do with the front suspension. And we're hoping that doesn't cost a lot of money, and we might need new brakes. All right, let's go find out.
It ended up being a long and expensive day. We worked at the shop while our van was getting fixed. We ended up needing all new brakes. It's the world's famous London Bridge.
No, we are not in London, folks. But that is the London Bridge. The London Bridge was purchased for like $2 million and brought here to Arizona because they wanted to increase the tourism for their town here in Lake Havasu City. Well, I don't know, there's apparently some bullet shots that are in the bridge that were it was a result of one of the world wars. Yeah, and so it was taken apart and then shipped block by block through the Panama Canal.